All right, I thought I'd make a video for you guys today since a few of you were really struggling. So our paper is 12 inches wide, and 9 inches in length. Make sure you can see. Yeah, 9 inches in length. So I'm gonna make a little dash at 3 and at 6 because 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 inches, 4, 5, 6 inches, 7, 8, 9 inches. I have 3 equal sections of 3 inches. And so instead of measuring like this with 1 point, where your ruler could be a little bit off, the smartest thing you can do when you're measuring a big piece of paper is to make little marks on either end of the paper. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And then I match the best of the 3 lines up. Like, see, this line's a little too far down, so I pick the best of the 3, and that's when I lightly draw. Those 3 all line up pretty well. That's when I lightly draw my 3 equal sections. Okay? Now I want to divide the whole paper up so I can do letters. This was the pretty easy part. This next part's harder. So now I'm gonna go 1 inch at a time. And I'm gonna divide my paper up that way. 1, 2, 3, 4, just 1 inch at a time. And these are gonna create blocks for my letters. 10, 11. I don't need to make a 12th line because the edge of my paper is that line. And then I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. I flipped my paper over because it's easier for me to go left to right, but you don't have to flip your paper over if you don't want it. And I'm drawing lightly so I can erase lightly. All right, same as before, I use the 2 lines. And I'm just gonna slowly march down my paper. Now, I have blocks. So I will walk around and try to help you guys while you're watching this video over and over. But you get the idea. So now I'm gonna decide what word I wanna repeat. If I want it to be my name, if I want it, you could pick a word like love or peace. You can even pick a bigger word like kindness, joyful. I'm gonna go back to that one. That line looked a little off. Okay, now I have a perfect grid, and I'm gonna do hack, so I can actually just put a line right here. That makes the letter H, and then I'm gonna find the middle of this. And again, I know you guys joke around when I say we're gonna draw lightly, but drawing lightly really helps. There's 2 A's in hack. But now I can clean up my letter A a little bit. Make it how I want. And my letter C, curves are the hardest. And then my K can just come. If you want to draw a line across so all your letters kind of have that same H, A, it can look really cool to have that the same each time. Okay, this is where you guys had questions also. So this will be an A right here. And now I'm gonna get my C here. Oh, actually the next A. H-A-A. I'm gonna go across all my letters. C, K, H, A, C, K, H, A, C. Divide my paper in half again. K, H, A. And then I'm going to go over these with Sharpie, which is really easy. So I ended with the last letter of my name, and I have 8, like wherever you end, that's fine. Now I'm gonna go over it with Sharpie. Easy peasy.